Alright, so it is time to compress this coil spring. I think I have enough spacers on there to take up the difference to keep that center bolt from hitting the top of the A-arm. I hope so. I believe so. Let's give it a go. We're going to want to lube or spray or grease, whatever you got, the center bolt. You don't want to run it dry. Okay, so we're going to release the tension from this spring. It's important that you don't leave your spring compressor on there very long. You want to release that tension as soon as you can. Now that we got it out of the vehicle, we've already measured it. I've already marked some marks with a chalk mark. Let me know the front, how it was sitting in there, so I can kind of put it back in the same exact position it was in. There's a lot of tension on it. You can see how it's pinched here and curved still. And never ever have the ends of that bolt, the stud that goes all the way through, you don't ever want to have that facing towards you. Always have it facing sideways. So if there's a failure, that rod will shoot out 150 miles an hour in the opposite direction of you. So I'm going to stand on it or put some weight on it, loosen this up. Now we took our measurement of everything that we pinched in. Like we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coils were on both ears. Those 5, we measured that distance of what we collapsed in, and we measured the overall length when it was compressed, so we'll know how much we got to compress it to install. So there's our spring. It was sitting in the car just like so. So now I can get this all cleaned up. Bring it all up here. I can get this all cleaned up now. We'll spray it, paint it, rust proof it, all that good stuff. We can move this to the side. And I gotta clean up all this mess down here. We got car crumbs everywhere. Clean all that up really good in that pocket. And then we can go ahead and loosen these control arm bolts, both sides, and we'll yank our lower control arm out. Then we'll go to the top. But right now I'm just going to organize, clean up some of these tools, and regather. So we'll bring y'all back in a little bit.